Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my new helmet and share the features and my experience with it so far. So as you can see the box here, you might have already guessed the brand. So it's from the brand NHK, which is very popular in India at the moment. I already opened the box and you can see the content inside the box. You get a helmet bag and you get a welcome card kind of a thing, and you get the actual helmet itself. And this is how the helmet looks like. I already removed all the stickering from it, and I already used it on a few occasions. So this is how it looks like. So this one I have with me is the NHK K5R model. So it's known for its cool graphics and color options. Now let's look at the features of this helmet. So most importantly, the safety part. So it comes with the latest ECE certification, that is ECE 22.06, and it also obviously gets the ISI certification as well. You can see the weight here. It's 1500 plus or minus 50 grams, but it feels very light. The weight balance is so good that it feels very light. And next is the paddings. So the paddings of this helmet is very comfortable. It's made up of breathable materials. It's anti-allergenic, and it can be removed and washed. Coming to the locking mechanism, it comes with this double D-ring setup. So this double D-ring can be a bit tricky for people using it for the first time, but you'll get used to it, and you get this quick release system as well. Next, it comes with this dual visor setup. You get a clear visor and a sun visor inside, and you get an integrated spoiler here. And the shell of this helmet is made up of advanced thermopolymers, which adds up to the protection and provides better stability. And also the design is very aerodynamic, so it provides better stability at higher speeds. Now coming into the real world usage, you can see how it looks like and how it looks on my head, and I'm riding at the moment. And the first thing I observed is the noise cancellation. You won't feel it in this video as the microphone is kept outside, but noise cancellation is really good. Second thing is the viewing angles. The viewing angles are very good. You get a clear vision of what's ahead of you. There's nothing blocking your view, or even at the sides or at the front. You get a perfect vision of what's ahead of you. The next thing obviously is the stability and the balance. Even though this helmet weighs around 1500 grams, don't feel that on your head. It's absolutely lightweight and comfortable, and it's just perfect even at higher speeds. The weight balance is one of the major attractions of this helmet if you compare it with the other competitors in this segment, given the ECE or the SM case. So the weight balance is so much better if you compare it to those other helmets. And of course, the aerodynamic design and the funky color options, it just looks great. One of the initial problems I faced with this helmet is that it might feel a bit too tight at the starting. So it might take a bit of time to adjust into your size of your head, and initially you might feel it a bit too tight, or might feel a bit of pressure at certain points on your head. And especially I am someone who wears powered spectacles all the time, so inserting the specs into this helmet was a challenge initially for me. But after a few rides I got used to it, and now I don't have any issues regarding that. And this helmet is pin lock compatible, but it doesn't come with the pin lock inside. You'll have to buy it separately, which I understand might cost around 800 to 900 rupees. Of course, to enhance the looks, you can use a tinted visor, but that will be a challenge during night times, so to be very careful with that. There's multiple air inlets and exhausts, so you won't feel suffocated inside. The airflow is very good. Finally, coming into the price, so the MRP of this helmet is around 5800, but I got it for 5500 under some discounts from an offline shop. So I think in this budget segment, it's one of the best looking and the most comfortable helmets. So if you're planning to buy it, you should go for it.